Hey guys, it's Johnny with RV SWAT. I thought I would just jump on here real quick and kind of catch you guys up on what's going on. So as you know, Tracy's job, her winter job in Arizona, actually got messed up by COVID. Go figure, COVID messing up something else for us this year. So with that being messed up, we had to relocate back to Alabama. So that started a whole new adventure, because remember, I was RV transporting out of the truck. Well, with being in Alabama, Tracy is going to need a vehicle to get a job there. So she's going to keep the truck and go to work in Alabama. Another reason that decision was made also is we were having some emissions problems with the truck that would really need to be fixed before I continue cross-country driving with the RV transport. So with her driving locally, we can kind of, put off the repairs for a little bit until we have to get it done. So with her having a truck and me not being able to do RV transport, what am I going to do? So because I love over-the-road stuff so much and I was really enjoying the RV transport, I did find another avenue to go down for over-the-road transporting, basically, of some sort. So you can see behind me, right about here, this is the new adventure for me. So let me get the camera turned around and I'll show you what it is. So I am going van life. Let's try the van life for a while. So we're going to be expediting freight. It's still over the road, still cross country, but we're going to be expediting freight out of a van instead of transporting RVs. So I'll take you inside the van and I'll show you kind of how it's set up for expediting. Let's jump in the cockpit real quick and we'll just show you. So my phone sits here for navigation. I have my iPad down there. That's for all my entertainment, and Sirius XM radio and all that stuff is on my iPad. All my work apps, all that stuff is on there. This van does have some nice overhead storage. So I have some stuff. Oh look, my bread for my sandwiches. I have all that up there, because I do have a microwave and refrigerator. So obviously there is an inverter in the van in the back. I'll show you in a little bit. So the refrigerator and microwave are always on, running off the inverter. So finally, one thing better about this than the RV transporting is now I have a big refrigerator so I can keep a bunch of food. What do I have in there right now? I don't think I have too much in here right now, but yeah. Drink, sandwich meat, some breakfast stuff. Yeah, so be filling that up with food. That'll stop me from eating out all the time, spending all my money in the restaurant. So now I can eat out, get a lot of microwave meals, and then I'll probably end up getting some type of little indoor grill or something, griddle, something like that, to do a little cooking in here. We have curtains that we can draw here. It keeps the back separated from the front. And speaking of the back, I'll go back there. All right, jump in the back. Oh, I gotta bring this thing to the car wash after a while and get this thing washed. So the back, which I'll jump back here. And then I guess we'll start up front. So this is there's the curtain that goes to the cockpit up front. Open that back up. Okay, so I close that at night, and I have a twin size bed. And then on the wall here, we just have some storage compartments. So I have, this is all personal, my personal stuff in here. We have a little light right here. Down here we have a CO2 monitor. This is the controls for my diesel heater. I'll show you in a little bit. And then this is just a thermostat, basically telling me what the temperature is in here. And I'm also going to put an outdoor sensor. I have the outdoor sensor, I just have to put it outside. And then my phone charger on my charging station right here. And then I have another 12-volt plug if I need to plug anything in here. And then down here is the actual diesel heater. And all I have to do to kick that on at night is turn it on here, and you'll see I can turn up the heat, turn down the heat, and turn it off. So that'll run the heat. And I used that last night for the first time, and I'll tell you what, it got down to, I think it was 27 degrees outside, and it was nice and toasty in here. So a little pegboard here just to hang some stuff on. Got my little trash bag here. And then right here is just all stuff for the van, maintenance stuff, and then have my personal stuff down here. So I got a couple little groceries down here and water. And then this is the fuel tank, the diesel fuel tank for the heater. And there's my little broom to keep the van all nice and clean. Over here, some straps for the tie downs. Here's all my ratchet straps, waters, ratchet straps, some more little groceries and drinks. And then this is all my clothes. Well, I have some paper towels and bowls and plates and everything, and then cups. And then all my shirts are down here. And then another big pocket system that has all my personal stuff in it here. Hard hat. I got my jacket just hanging up there. That's my big thick jacket that I hardly ever use because I don't get too cold. But just in case I'm playing in the snow or something, I'll throw the big jacket on. And then I'll step back and you'll see the track system on the floor right here. So this whole area back here is where we carry the freight. So they'll load the skids in, and there'll be videos coming with this stuff too. They'll load the skids in, and then I use the ratchet straps and anchor system to secure the load down with ratchet straps, and then we go and deliver it. Yep. So that's the setup. Just wanted to show you real quick, let you know what I was up to. And there will be more videos coming about the job itself, expediting, and how I like it. I will tell you, it is kind of nice, a lot more living space doing this than I had in the truck doing RVs. Then with the inverter is installed back here. So with the inverter and everything in here. Oh, also, I have a fantastic fan in the top. And then on the back side, there's also another exhaust fan that also has lights, you know, LED lights. So yeah, set up pretty nice. The only thing it doesn't have, that if I own the van, it would have a actual rooftop AC. I would have AC unit in here and a generator. But I do not own this van. I am driving for someone else, another owner operator. So who knows, if it's something we like, maybe we will own a van in the future, but no time soon. Right now I'll just drive for somebody else and enjoy it while I can. So anyway guys, don't want to keep you too long. Just wanted to show you what I was up to. And stay tuned, there will be more videos coming about the life of expediting. Talk to you guys later.